Ground crews play a vital role in various essential tasks, including pesticide preparation, adding fertilizers, the replacement of batteries, and ensuring safe landings and takeoffs. Given the necessity of closely interacting with agricultural drones, it becomes crucial to cultivate a strong commitment to safety. Prior to commencing their collaboration, it is imperative for the pilot to provide the ground crew with a comprehensive briefing regarding the potential hazards associated with the high-speed rotating propellers. This briefing aims to ensure that the ground crew gains a thorough understanding of the drone's capabilities and fosters a sense of caution, thereby preventing any reckless conduct. Here are some key points to remember for safe agricultural drone operations. 1. Maintain a safe distance of at least 6 meters from the drone during flight. 2. Do not approach the drone until its propellers have completely stopped. 3. Only approach the takeoff and landing area after the drone has moved away. 4. Ground crews should choose an open area and ensure that they stand upwind from the barrel to prepare pesticides. Crews need to wear masks, sun protection hats, and nitrile gloves when preparing pesticides. 5. When unfolding the drone, it is recommended that the drone pilot or ground crew works independently to avoid mistakes. 6. Before starting the drone, ensure that the snaps are tightened and unfold the propellers first to prevent excessive vibration and maintain stability. 7. When replacing the battery, insert it before adding liquid to improve efficiency and prevent liquid from splashing on the power distribution board. 8. Before takeoff, check the operation area and ensure that no one is within 6 meters of the drone. Terrain crews should evacuate passers-by from the takeoff point. The drone pilot must confirm again that there are no other people around at the takeoff point before starting the drone. 9. After starting the drone, observe the route for pedestrians and ascend to a height of at least 3 meters before flying to the designated area. 10. After completing the operation, notify the ground crew about the return flight and have them evacuate people around the takeoff and landing point. 11. Before initiating the return operation, whether it is a manual or automatic return, observe the environment around the takeoff and landing point, and confirm onlookers, passers-by, and ground crew are in safe positions. 12. If the return conditions are not met, cancel the return immediately using the flight mode button or RTH button. 13. Ground crews should only approach the drone when it is fully parked and the propellers have stopped spinning. Avoid approaching rotating propellers to prevent accidents. 14. Adding fertilizer only after replacing the battery. When adding fertilizer, place the empty bag at least 10 meters away from the drone to avoid being blown away by the wind. 15. The drone pilot should wait until the ground crew is 6 meters away from the drone before activating the drone. It is prohibited from taking off and landing when ground crews turn their backs on the drone at close range. The consequences of a collision would be disastrous. 16. During flight, especially when approaching the brake point, pay attention to the FPV camera to avoid obstacles such as pedestrians and power lines to avoid collisions. Do not fly when people are in the field. Keep a safe distance. Fertilizer bags need to be taken away. Littering poses a potential hazard. Do not fly until the ground crews walk away. Do not fly when ground crews have their back towards the drone.